Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the formula bar from appearing on Microsoft Excel. So basically, let's just say I put a formula in here. So let's say I do 2 plus 2, and that's 4. But you see there's no formula bar that's showing the formula in here when I have the cell selected. So in order to have it show that up in the top, very simple. I'm going to left click on the View tab, and then where it says formula bar, you want to check mark inside the box one time to bring it back. And there you go, guys. Now it'll be permanently on our Excel spreadsheet. So basically it's the exact same process to reverse it. So if you wanted to remove it, for example, just go up to view and then uncheck formula bar, and that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.